Mama Wakwaba, the bar agukensi so. May the Savanya Fale, the Ajopa lady. This up, Papa Bean, I'm the Semnebro, na Asida Encoma, onexbet.com. I'm a catcher say, bets and dear, one more dorsal pa, companies need also. That's onexbet.com, dear. And no, and I may come for the amount and say, Unya dia now sikana, I bet all wallet no tempaso. Odds no so, one more odds I can see a comma. Ya udia now sikano, emu I drew comma. Sergio Manucho mo be catch one more and a yard wo betting no mo fast mixture edro papa ya ebeboa wo e ma ne meme nyina ehu hia ma mo pa se ubenya bia na sho bag meja na obon kakrakra na esiesie wo hunam bibie mu na bibia akọ enkan Sedimo gel and roll on ultimate pain reliever art se ukotodwe usisi wo ma me ne wo papa no mo wo mo brown na me pa choto bi command pa ye dwuma ye bre pa match sorry anya semketwa tie ne unye bia na de twitwitwi massage na bibia akonkan ede ama wokọ ashama main station anytime ubenya bi ato no wetu na bibia akonkan de ama na me konsem no mu di ahane se Euro 2024 qualifying results no say enenra na etie Liechtenstein etine fie ema Iceland koche ne nom ne ka pare enson wentimi antimo adabraka Luxembourg sotne fie ma Portugal so ekoshe no ka ensia mo no so enti enye small avalanche of goals pa na pie mu enra Slovakia so etimi tine fie chain Bosnia Herzegovina for eshe wo mo mienu mo antimo adabraka England echi Ukraine shen kam said ene ena akensie no ebeba so eho commentary nya de bema wasempa ene Adom 106.3 FM ti ya no follow na bibia akonkan no mkopie mu no coach Chris Hilton edin sembitu giant seneko no
again a difficult game. I think Angola showed in big parts of the game the quality that they've got, the way of playing. I don't think there'll be too many surprises. I think in the way that they play, because they're a very technical team and they like to play a very expansive game. It's about making sure that we, on the day, defend well, play as a unit, and take our opportunities perhaps a little bit better than what we did in the first game.
You spoke about the fact that because we didn't take our chances in the first game, they grew in confidence, especially in the second half, and they made things quite difficult for us. How different are you looking to play tomorrow?
I think that everybody wants to, or both teams want to start well. It's a big part of the game. There will be a big crowd there tomorrow, so they will want to get the crowd going. But you are right. We had a good start in the last game. Played well. Had opportunities and didn't take them. And I think what happens is if you don't take them, the opposition grow, and I think they grow.
It's also the Amada Shani said the Black Meteors of Ghana under 23 Africa Cup of Nations. One so qualifies Niguswa Ekoso. Nano Adabekaya Mkopiemu Algeria no. Fatao Ishaku ne sensational goal a center circle. It's me Ekotomu go for me who say Lisbon ho go sa womusha nano ada womushia Arsenal. Sa go ne pepepe and omo de show. Ya to Sabranti yetimi enya 1 point edifi mo ene. Nyame adu my china womo ene second leg ne ebetwa so anasa return leg ne ebetwa so ewo Kumase Babanyara Sports Goal Star sutine fiechi Samatex nom no 1 ma wentimi antimu adabraka we de fiefo entokwa panuano mo ntokwa na aduana eso ene Royal Tamale United no eko tutu emu nsem bebre krabia metema Kumase Asante kotokote kokoso nananam ade na mo yesa Coach Adom Teminipa no oye champion coach. Wetimi abeye technical director di ama media Messi. Etimi achi me ankasa me kotoko anom ne kamienu. Ame yentimi antimu adabra kanka hasi lusi na kotoko mwe wini na yefe. De bia say ya. Let's just highlights no. Ekono.
And there's a beautiful switch. And here is Aye. He's seen a lot of the balls and he's been impressive. He pulls 1-2 for Fatao. Fatao sends a cross. And it's the second goal. Karela breaking the hearts of the Phobians here in Anyinasi. An on goal. Adom makes it 2-0 for Karela. I was telling you about Karim Aye and how he's been impressive. He's seen a lot of the ball. He sees Fatao, lays one onto the path of Fatao. He sends it across and cleared the Adom into his own net. It's 2-0 for Karela. Karela for a third, and Karela grabbed the third. 3-0. And the young boy will applaud the third Karela goal. So against the round of play, good work from Amonu. Then Beku.
So it's Asante Kotoko who kickstarts this game, playing from right to left. Richmond Lamptey on the near side. Solomon Safo Taylor will pick up the mantle as he lays on the pass, and it's Kumasi Asante Kotoko who are looking good. On the far side is Enoch Morrison. Loves to cut through and control on his left foot. Mediama deal with it nicely. And then they give it back to Morrison. Tries to go through the middle. So far it's effective. Passes laid on. That's for Joe now. Gets a sizable whip and cross on the ball. Chance for Mediama. Oh, that's the first goal. But yes, the referee has allowed that to stand.
And allowed Soa to adjust himself and head the ball past Asari. But it was Fojo without this dazzling skill. Whipped the cross in. Anoba will head it down to set it up on the play for Ajimai. Yeah, I took it. It took a slight ricochet of Mualasan.
Lamptey goes past Mukhtar. Lamptey still threatening. Sends a cross. Sari's big boot of a clearance. He's putting Mediama under pressure. Safo Taylor, can he get a whip on it? Across the face of goal. Hamidu. Oh, and they're going. Mediama Sporting Club into the 18-yard box.
Look at the play. Brilliant understanding. Ajman with a flick on, and Mante picks up the pass. And there Soa was just trying to lay it down. Just before he picked the pass, can't stand on his feet, can't get his balance right to pick a perfect ball.
And the winds are getting stronger, but Mediama get us underway for the second 45 minutes.
Oh, right here, was he offside?
On, yes. Sharif Mohammed through the middle. Opong. Vincent Atinga goes there. Zeze. Sharif through the middle. It looks good. Richard Buedu. Isaac Opong gets to it. Shot is blocked. How about Lamptey? Crowded by the yellow and move. But then they give the ball to the Ivorian. Zeze. Shot is fired. Blocked by Atinga. Manuel clears out nicely. Manuel finds Fojo. Passes on to the near side. Here's Fojo now. Oh, he goes down. And the referee points to the spot.
And again, Mediama playing some delightful football here. Don't do with the pass. Just look at Fojo so intelligently. One-on-one, 1v1 situation against Apel, and the final nail in the coffin.
He scored 4 goals this season, Vincent Atinga, all the 4 from the spot kick. Easily.
Dear Kosiano, I say, Arrow, Coach Adote, more fair, come out, heavy coach. Now, unim say, me catch us say, has dear no Karela, way Nasino, has woman, so yes, Coach David Oklu, or we are no see, dear. A bad day, the mom is a cap me and Sandy. I know.
Bad day. It's a bad day. But I think we didn't play badly. We didn't play badly, but defensively we were poor today. Because you give your opponent time and space and he will punish you. And that was what happened today.
Let's talk about that red card. How do you feel about that red card, and to what extent did you think it changed your game plan and affected the outcome of the game?
Yeah, it's a clean red card because he was the last man. And when you foul, it's a red card offense. It has affected us a lot. So you could see that we try changing the system, playing 4-3-2. Later we changed playing 3 back, but all didn't work. It's a bad day at the office, and I take full responsibility.
Beyond the bad day and you taking full responsibility, This must be a reality check for a side that had gone 3 games without a defeat coming into this one.
Yeah, it's true. We go back and right the wrongs and work more on the post. It's a bad deal.
Ensem kakra me international producers Badwam no mama de ebro ni asidan koma oneexpert.com Jeffers mixture sedimo gel and roll on woman and ebo me chidom sonko mama de agency munsem edebrewo meve savonyo faale dia drop lady face up papa bi na mum Ghana manti me su hia me afre me ekua Janet ba akosi ede me da se me nuanu aka de aka no eto as me sewada en fa sanka fidie